welcome back to the channel. It's 2024, we're on the Benelli TRK502X and it's a wet and windy February Friday. Gonna head to the lakes. Hopefully you can hear me over all this wind. If you can, I've made the right choice with this microphone. If not, you won't see this bit. So yeah, we're just going for a chill one this weekend. A bit of a shakedown really of the equipment that I've got. Because I've got a lot of plans this year. So I just want to make sure that the Benellis are right back for the job. Got a new tent, a new camping table. What else have I got? I've got some other few bits and bobs that I'll share with you when we get set up. But yeah, it's just basically shakedown before this year properly ramps up and we go on some mad missions. So yeah, gonna go up to Brotherswater. Stop the Brotherswater's in. There's a little campsite right in the back. So that's where I'm currently heading. Just checking that my new camping table's not flown off yet. So yeah, chill weekend. Going to climb, I think going to do High Street because of the weather. I wanted to do Helvellyn, but there was no campsites closer than where I am for Helvellyn. And if the weather's like this all weekend, I don't really fancy a 13-mile trek out in this. So I think it's going to be High Street tomorrow, and yeah, hoping to show you a bit of the lakes soon in the next couple of weeks. So see you on the road. And we're out. The campsite's just over there in the distance, as you can see. Not the nicest conditions today, but well, we're out and about. We're going to head up to High Street today. About 5 hours there and back. That's annoying me. So yeah, about 5 hours there and back. Not got all the gear I wanted because I was a bit restricted when travelling on a bike. But yeah, we'll make the most of it and see you further on. You know what, the weather might not be great, but just can't beat it. Something about the lakes that just keeps drawing me in. All the other national parks don't really interest me. But Lake District is something else. We've got another group over there in the distance. I think we're going to cross paths up here, because we do need to cross over the waterfall, stream, whatever you want to call it, a little bit further up. Bit boggy today. Just put my thing up, just to cover my ears a bit, because it is breezy. But yeah, so where this ridge is, campsite's on the other side of that. Bit of snow up here. So I'm supposed to cross back over the stream here. However, bridge is gone. We're going to make further upstream, and hopefully there's another place to cross. If not, time to turn back. Don't really want to. Yeah. So with the bridge washed out, I just walked up. Too fast and deep for my liking. So I'm going to start heading back, but I'm going to have a look on the map to see if there's anywhere else I can go. So yeah, this might be a bit of a non-video. So yeah, bridge is out. River's fast flowing, scheduled for heavy rain later today. Obviously I've got to come back that way. It's only going to get deeper and faster. So I've made the sensible decision of turning back. And yeah, try and find something else to do today. It's only early, I think it's only about 10 o'clock. So yeah, still a full day. Go and get showered, washed up, and see what else I can do. So I just bumped into a guy who's done this route before. Just give him the heads up about the bridge, and he's just given me the heads up that on the way back the road's washed out. Because I came up from that building in the distance and up this side here and up there, and he's come down this path. But yeah, he's basically told me that this way is washed out as well, but I think I probably prefer this way than going back that way, because that was horrible, boggy, wet. So yeah, I'm going to risk it with this washed out road. And yeah, just British weather really, ruining things. But it is Feb, so it's to be expected really. yeah, I'm going to just head back to the campsite, get washed up. Might head into Patterdale later on. See how we're feeling, see what we're doing. So yeah, bit of a crap one to start the year off with, but these things happen, as you can see. It's not nice at all, but yeah, try again next weekend. Yeah, I don't think he was joking when he said it'd been washed away. I think the GoPro effect's having some do on that, but that's a deep rut. So the rain didn't really let off. So I'm going to cook some tea and hope it stops at some point. But not advisable to cut the chicken with a very sharp knife on your knee. Well, I would say that was in some ways successful and in other ways a failure. Failure just simply because I couldn't go up the peak that I wanted to do, but successful as found out what I need, what I've not got, what I need to switch out. The thermarest I was using, the OEX Traverse, not as comfy as I remember, but I do have the OEX Traverse IMX, I think it's called. It's a more lightweight one as well, so that's even more beneficial again, as it's lightweight obviously, and it doesn't take as much room in the panniers. Just making sure my panniers are still on. Yeah, they are. So yeah, I'm going to switch that out. I think I'm going to get a rear bag for just on the back seat, so I can actually put some walking boots in there, because I did go up in my riding boots, which wasn't my best idea. So yeah, other than that, I think we're pretty much there. I think we've got the adventure bike I never knew I wanted. And just as I'm going home, it's a nice sunny warm day. Did nothing but rain yesterday. Wrap the video up here. Just going to jump on the M6 now and head home. Not really much else to see. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.